Yo, what is up, everyone on YouTube? It is your boy Amrit. Amrit's got kicks. And another package came in today from Footlocker. And hopefully, this is what I think it is. If you're new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I know I look like absolute shit right now. It was raining outside. I've been tired all day. So yeah, I'm sorry, I don't look like my typical self, but yeah, let's get into it. I don't have anything to open the packaging, so I'm just gonna get into it. Fuck it, let's see if I can find something to... There we go. Ooh. Now the packaging is totally different. Now I would say do not sell this pair of these right here, these sneakers. Hold these because they're never going to release again. Now if you're looking for a pair, they restock on footlocker.ca if you live in Canada, and Footlocker app pretty much every second day, every day. I got these on release day. There wasn't any fuss, there wasn't any hassle, no error codes or anything like that. Now, if you may be wondering what these are, I announced these over the past few videos. This is... Now, you may kind of have a guess from the box. I went half a size up this time. I'm going to hold these because a lot of people are saying that these are going to go up in value this coming year. Oof. How can you go wrong with that? The Air Jordan 11 Jubilee, to commemorate the 25th, to celebrate the 25th anniversary of the Jordan 11. Now, last time I had a pair of Jordan 11s, they were the Platinum 10, so I went with my true size. I went in a 9, but I faced the same issue. I don't have wide feet. I have normal, like, narrow feet, like everybody. I faced this one issue. They used to pinch right here on my pinky. And I wore them a few times and it didn't go away. So I talked to some people that have owned Jordan 11s before. They said next time you get a pair of 11s, go up half a size. Hopefully my feet aren't swimming in these because I'm going to be pissed off if they're swimming in them. But yeah, I got a 9.5 and they were expensive. They weren't cheap at all. They were $285. Taxes and they came to $330 Canadian. They were fucking expensive, but I can notice some differences on these. For example, they don't have your traditional stitched in Jumpman. They have a metal Jumpman. It doesn't have a stitched in logo on the heel. It's actually embossed. It's metal. You got the all black patent leather. Quality is actually pretty nice on these. You got this really soft leather on the heel. All white midsole. You got a little hit of carbon fiber right here that actually runs from here to about here to add some stability and structure to the shoe. They do have a full length Nike Air unit on them. Apparently they're super comfortable to play basketball in or just everyday wear, like casual wear. Then you got that milky outsole on them. And then the insole has a Jumpman logo. It says 23 on there. And then the left shoe, exact same stuff. And I honestly, either I might dead stock these. I don't know. I'm stuck. Like, I don't know if I want to sell these or keep these. They are going up in price slowly, but I think I might keep them. And then I've never seen an 11 come with a secondary set of laces, so nothing to show there, but it does come with this nice Jordan white and silver wrapping paper inside. But that's all I gotta say, man. Like, these things are fucking clean. And, oh yeah, and it says Jordan running up the lacing system right here, the aglets or whatever they're called, in silver, which is also metal. And on this side too. And same with this shoe. Has it going up like this, spelled out Jordan in here. And also the tongue normally is nylon, but this time they did leather and nylon. It also has a metal Jumpman logo on the tongue right there, and a metal Jumpman logo on the tongue right there. But that was my video for today, guys. I am so happy to finally have a pair of 11s in my collection. Much love. Take care. Y'all be easy. Love you. Keep supporting. I'm in, I'm out. Take care. Peace, bye. Make sure to finesse the subscribe button down below. Leave a like and a comment on this video, what your thoughts on this video are. My content will be getting better when I figure out how to edit my videos. You guys let me know what editing software is the best. Sony Vegas 14 and higher, or Adobe Premiere Pro. But take care, guys. Love you. Keep supporting. Can't wait to put these on feet finally one day. I'm out. Take care. Peace. Bye.